Hi, I'm Jonathan. I'm a teacher at the Conservatory of Alcalá de Henares, a Wessex artist and a member of And the Brass. I play the Wyvern C tuba and the British F tuba. I'm going to show you how the Wyvern sounds now. Let's take a listen. What I like most about this tuba is its dark sound and at the same time its clarity. Thank you for watching our videos. If you want to see more and hear more, please subscribe to our channel.